Hello, curious minds. Let's kick off today's adventure by exploring the magic of ecosystems. Have you ever wondered how everything in nature is connected? From the plants around you to the animals you see, and even the unseen tiny microbes, they all work together in a beautiful, balanced system called an ecosystem. Just think about a garden or a forest where plants grow, animals feed on them, and tiny organisms break down dead matter. All of this forms a dynamic system where life thrives. Now, let's take a closer look at how this system works and the roles every component plays in keeping it alive and functional. Alright, now that we have a sense of what an ecosystem is, let's break it down. Picture an ecosystem like a giant web of life, with different roles for every organism. We start with producers like plants and algae, which capture sunlight and turn it into food through a process called photosynthesis. These producers form the foundation of the entire ecosystem. Then, we have consumers, animals that feed on producers. These can be herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. They keep the system in balance by eating plants or other animals. Finally, we have decomposers, fungi, bacteria, and insects that break down dead material, recycling nutrients back into the soil, ensuring life continues to thrive. And of course, let's not forget the abiotic factors like sunlight, water, and soil, which provide the essential support for all living things. Everything, both living and non-living, works together to create the intricate web of life. Now, here comes the exciting part. How does energy flow through this system? Imagine a food chain starting with the producers. Plants capture sunlight, and through photosynthesis, they store energy in the form of food. This energy is then passed on to primary consumers, herbivores like deer or insects that eat the plants. From there, the energy travels to secondary consumers like predators who eat herbivores. But here's something really interesting. Each time energy moves through the food chain, some of it is lost as heat. So, by the time you reach the top of the food chain, like a lion or an eagle, the amount of energy left is much less than what the plants originally captured from the sun. Isn't that fascinating? This flow of energy keeps the ecosystem alive and running smoothly. Let's dive into an often overlooked but crucial part of the ecosystem, decomposers. These tiny but mighty organisms, including fungi and bacteria, are the unsung heroes of nature. When plants or animals die, decomposers break down their remains and release nutrients back into the soil. This process is absolutely vital for maintaining life in an ecosystem because it makes sure that nutrients like nitrogen and carbon are recycled and available for new plants to grow. Without decomposers, ecosystems would be buried under dead matter. For example, when a tree falls in the forest, fungi and bacteria decompose it, enriching the soil for future plant growth. Isn't it incredible how life continues even after death? To wrap up our journey today, let's quickly connect all the dots about ecosystems. We've learned how ecosystems are composed of producers, consumers, and decomposers, all working together in harmony. The flow of energy through different trophic levels, from producers to consumers, keeps the system going, while decomposers ensure that nothing goes to waste by recycling nutrients. Every component, whether it's a plant, animal, or microbe, plays a crucial role in sustaining the balance of life. So, remember, the next time you walk through a garden or a forest, you're stepping into a beautifully coordinated ecosystem where life is constantly being recycled, renewed, and sustained. Biology truly is the science of life, and it's all around us, in every living thing.